everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can use Google Gemini AI tool for summarizing the long article. If you are a student or a professor and you are working on some article or a research paper, and the research paper or the article is very long and you want to summarize the articles just to get the all the required information from that uh, research paper. Okay, so first of all we will go for the Google Gemini tool. Okay, so this is the website gemini.google.com. As you can see that my account is already logged in to Google Gemini. If you are new on this website, you can just simply click on the sign up button, and you can just log in with Google account and your account will be created. Okay, so this is the prompt section here. First of all, we will attach our document file by clicking on this add file button. There's one more thing. If you don't have the PDF file, document file, you can just simply upload the link of that article here and it will get you the all the required information. So I have the PDF right now, so I just click on upload files, and this is my article file. Summarize the above article and highlight the main points. So this is the prompt that I have just written. Now I will just hit the enter button, and then AI will show its magic. It will extract all the information first and then will provide us the summary of the article with the highlighted main points. So it is just analyzing the whole article. It will just take a few seconds. Let's wait for it. Meanwhile, if you are new to our channel and watching our videos for the first time, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that subscribe bell button so that you don't and you never miss any single video from our side, because we keep on making videos regarding AI tools, which is very helpful for nowadays. Okay, and it's trending as well. So as you can see that it has provided a summary of the article. So this is the summary of the article. It has also added the bullet points and headings as well. It has also provided you the link related to that article. Okay, so you can see that it has also highlighted the main point. So that's all about Google Gemini tool, how you can use it to summarize a long article and get the highlighted point and save your time. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.